With Dragon Medical One's spelling mode, users can recite individual letters, numbers, and characters to spell out medical codes, uncommon names, acronyms, special characters, and diacritics. Rather than using the keyboard to type, users can say "spell out" and then speak characters using standard letter pronunciations or the NATO phonetic alphabet such as Sierra for S or Alpha for A. With Dragon Medical One in dictation mode, say "spell out" to put Dragon in spelling mode, and without pausing, continue by speaking the characters. Here's an example. Examination of specimen labeled with ID. Spell out uppercase Charlie 9000123. Dragon returns the expected code. Similarly, you can spell a patient's name. For instance, the name Jeffrey. If Dragon does not recognize it correctly, dictate in this manner. Patient's name is spell out uppercase GEOFFREY. Pausing after using spelling mode will automatically switch Dragon Medical One back to the standard dictation mode. With Dragon Medical One spelling mode, users can speak characters to ensure proper recognition of non-traditional words for improved performance, convenience, and efficiency. For more information, visit Dragon Medical One Help.